Hi there, Sam Schifman here. I'd like to talk to you about orchestrating AI across the enterprise. The other day I was catching up with a colleague of mine. He and I used to run some pretty cool development teams together. And he commented to me that he wouldn't hire somebody today that didn't do vibe coding, that didn't use AI to accelerate their work. That got me to thinking that, what AI is really doing today is democratizing our access to knowledge, whether that be pulling some information together to write a position paper or writing some code to solve some cool problem that we've thought of. This is great. It's allowing people who never could before to come in and do things like write code to solve a problem that they have. However, this also comes with some challenges. We see all across the enterprise that people are coming up with their pet AI projects, and they're taking those to leadership and saying, look, here's this really cool thing I did. Leadership is getting all excited about that, and they're turning around to IT and saying, you need to operationalize this. Now, when IT goes to operationalize something, there are some concerns that they need to worry about. First and foremost, they need to worry about security. Is this solution going to leak company or personal data all over the internet? They also need to worry about reliability. Is this solution going to stand up in production? And is it going to do so in a way that isn't going to tank our company's budget? And finally, they really need to think about the future. This technology is moving so fast. Today's state-of-the-art model is not tomorrow's state-of-the-art model. And is the solution going to be flexible enough to adjust over time? Unfortunately, the traditional approaches that IT has taken won't work. By the time I pull together a team of people, evaluate all the possible solutions, do some cost benefit analysis, some risk analysis, do some implementation and some rollout. By the time I do all of that, it's just too slow for the enterprise. It also ends up centralizing things in a way that doesn't work very well. And finally, it's just too inflexible. By the time I get all of that process done, it's quite possible that the technology has moved on. So IT really needs AI orchestration platforms on which they can, with confidence, deploy AI solutions quickly. Now, Vantic, as an event-based orchestration platform, is perfect for this. Vantic is designed to listen to events across your enterprise, contextualize those events using AI, and then take appropriate action based on those events. Now, from the ground up, it was built with security and reliability in mind, in that I can have different instances deployed across my enterprise, all of which can share data in controlled manners securely. And finally, it's flexible in that the AI it connects to can change just with the change of a configuration. This means that Vantic really is the platform to conduct AI across your enterprise. If you want to learn more about why Vantic is so perfect for this, I hope you'll join us for our Conducting AI Symphonies webinar, in which we'll dive deep into how the Vantic platform addresses all those concerns that IT has. Thank you very much. Love to continue the conversation, so please feel free to reach out anytime.